Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, I'm Good. The song is I'm Good. The artist is Tim BOWMAN Jr. and the choreography is Reginald GARCON. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. If you're interested in a step-by-step instruction for this dance, check out the choreographer, and also I'll post mine at the end of this video. And let's get it.
People say, Tim, you're my hero. How you do it? How you stay strong? Let them all know there's so much that I've been through. I had my days when it's true, y'all. I just can't smile. I just won't cry. It ain't easy. Sometimes it's work just to be alive. But when I think of the goodness that has come to me, it's easier to let go of all my grief. Sometimes you gotta tell yourself that I'm not having it. Just take a good look in the mirror, say to yourself, I've got to find a quit. So say I'm good, good enough to love myself, good enough to have success. What you gain from all the stress is the freedom to know that you are blessed. I'm good enough to handle my bills, good enough to raise my kids. Past is the past, and honestly, I'm happy for where I'm at because I'm good. People ask me, am I confident? I'm recovered every now and then, but life comes down to two things, and that's rejection and acceptance. So I reject that there's no peace, and I accept that I am free. That's all I have to be. That's all I ever need. 'Cause when I think of the goodness that's come to me, it's easier to let go of all my grief. Sometimes you gotta tell yourself that I'm not having it. Just take a good look in the mirror, say to yourself, I've come too far to quit. So say I'm good, good enough to love myself, good enough to have success. What you gain from all the stress is the freedom to know that God is blessed. I'm good enough to handle my bills, good enough to raise my kids. Past is the past, and honestly, I'm happy for where I'm at because I'm people. Let me tell you, and I'ma say it loud and clear. And you listen, so you hear me, then you never will again. You're good enough to get that job. You're good enough to drive that car. And on top of all these things, you're good enough to have your dreams. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Hey, come on, let me hear you say I'm good, good enough to love myself, good enough to have success. What you gain from all the stress is the freedom to know that you are blessed. I'm good enough to handle my bills, good enough to raise my kids. Past is the past, and honestly, I'm happy for where I'm at because I'm good.
And there you go. That is I'm Good. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.